In the first equation, we're supposed to combine the like terms first. 3x and 5x are like terms. We're supposed to add them up together. 3x plus 5x is equal 8x equals 16. In order to find x, I have to eliminate the multiplication, and I'm supposed to take out from here 8. What I'm supposed to do in order to eliminate multiplication, I'm supposed to use division. We do everything step by step. In order to eliminate 8, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. I have to divide both sides equation by 8. 8 and 8 will cancel out. Is x. 16 divided by 8 is equal 2. And this is the solution to my problem. In order to verify if my answer is correct, I'm supposed to replace x in my original equation by 2. Let's check. So I have 3 times 2 plus 5 times 2 is supposed to be equal 16. 3 times 2 gives me 6 plus 5 times 2 gives me 10 equals 16. 6 plus 10 is equal 16. 16 is equal 16. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. We're supposed to again combine the like terms. 8x and 2x, they are like terms. 8x minus 2x is equal 6x equals 12. In order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. Remember, I'm supposed to use division only if I want to eliminate the multiplication. Over here I have multiplication. That's why I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to my variable. In this case, I have to divide by 6. 6 and 6 will cancel out. And I have x equals 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. This is the solution to my problem.